Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy affiliate marketing with Newegg step by step clearly. To get started with affiliate marketing through Newegg, first, visit the Newegg affiliate program website. Create an account by clicking on the Join Now button. Fill out the required information, including your name, email, and website details. Review the terms and conditions before proceeding. After completing the registration, check your email for a confirmation message. Follow the link in the email to verify your account. Next, log in to the Newegg affiliate dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout to understand the available tools and resources. Navigate to the Get Links section to find products to promote. Search for products or categories that align with your niche. Select a product that interests you and click on it to view more details. Generate your unique affiliate link for that product. Copy the link provided and keep it handy for your promotional efforts. Create content around the products you selected, such as blog posts or videos. Incorporate your affiliate links naturally within your content. If you're creating videos, consider reviewing the product or demonstrating its use. Promote your content through social media platforms where your audience engages. Keep track of your clicks and conversions using the analytics tools provided in the dashboard. Evaluate which products and strategies yield the best results. Adjust your marketing tactics as needed based on your findings. Continuously seek out new products to promote to keep your content fresh. Monitor updates in Newegg's affiliate program for new opportunities and offers. Engage with your audience to build trust and encourage them to make purchases through your links. Lastly, be patient as building a successful affiliate marketing strategy takes time and effort. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.